I tried Shopify dropshipping for 24 hours in the last week. Me and my partner did this business, and I am a dropshipping supplier and agent, so that's why I always go with the partnership with my partner. Okay, so the story was in the last week, client decided we will find a good product, trending product, then we will see how much we can sell and what result we will get. After then we will decide we will go to the free TikTok and Instagram banner method. Now as organic dropshipping is very popular. If you have very high budget, then you can go to the paid dropshipping, but like $100 $200, I don't recommend to go to paid dropshipping. Just go to organic dropshipping, find a good and product, then start to sell. So that's why we decided we will go to the organic dropshipping, because this client was mine, which is very new and beginner. So I recommended him to go organic dropshipping, and he was passionate in fashion niche. That's why we always trying to find a good product. So luckily, last week we found a product which is sunglasses, and then I told him everything, how organic dropshipping work, what you need to do to make sales. First of all, you need to go make viral video. If you follow to go sales, then you will never get success in organic dropshipping. Your focus will be first to go viral. How you will go viral? This is the number one questions. You have to find your competitors, how they are making videos. Suppose you find a good trending product. In the next video I will tell you how you will find a good product, winning product in organic dropshipping. So then we have decided, when we found a product, we will go for filming, editing, everything. In 24 hours we just scroll the video and we found a competitor who is making these types of video, and after then we decided to go to filming and video editing. And then my client purchased a sample of the sunglasses, then he started to make video. The first day was very hard. We got only 3 sales and the total revenue was 300. The profit, yes, alhamdulillah, we got a profit of like $30. So this is the organic dropshipping method. We have yes, it's good. As a beginning we've got 3 sales, and right now it's also we are making, this is the result of the 24 hours challenge. So yeah, we did it. We at the starting we did a good result. And also my friend, if you are beginner or mid-level or advanced dropshipper, if you need also dropshipping help like fulfillment, supplier, agent, or any types of, just comment me. Any types of helps I can do. And also if you need mentorship, I have also expert guys to, like, with proven data, how you can make your business from 0 to 10k. Okay, this is the first goal, then we can help